Hello, class 3. How are you all? Fine? Yes. Okay, today, students, we will be reading about nouns, gender, chapter 4 of your grammar book. Okay, student, this is a new chapter. We will come to know about the gender and its types. Okay, we will be now let us read the chapter. Open your books and follow in your books. Based on the gender, the nouns are divided into four kinds. Gender is divided into four kinds. First, masculine gender. Second, feminine gender. Third, common gender, and fourth is neuter gender. Okay, now we will be reading about the gender. What is gender? Masculine gender. Nouns that tell us about males are called masculine gender. When we come to know about males, that is known as masculine gender. Now see, nouns that tell us about females are called feminine gender. It's very easy, students, but just you have to recognize the masculine and feminine gender. How? See, males are denoted with masculine gender and females are denoted with feminine gender. It's very easy. Now see the example. The king was in the palace. The king is a male person, so it's a masculine gender. The queen was in the garden. Queen is a female. It's a lady, so it will come in feminine gender. Mahatma Gandhi was a great man. Mahatma Gandhi was a male, so it will be in masculine gender. Rani Lakshmi Bai was a brave woman, so Rani Lakshmi Bai was a lady and woman, so it will come in feminine gender. Okay, hope you all have understood till here, students. Okay, let us read the next. In the above sentences, king and men denote the masculine gender, as I told you, no? Yes. And queen and woman denote to the female, feminine gender. So many animals also have their gender names, like for example, see the examples. The lion is sleeping. The lioness is with her cub. So lion is a male and lioness is female. And the peacock is dancing in the rain and peahen is under the tree. So peacock is masculine gender because it's male and peahen is female. Yes. Now see here, lion and peacock denotes the male and lioness and peahen denotes the female. So as I told you, now it's very easy. You just have to differentiate between the male and the female. See, some examples are there. Please go through the examples. See, masculine actor, feminine actress, prince, princess, ox, cow. See, hero, heroine, wizard, witch, Adams and Eve. Now come to next page. Poet, poetess, gentleman, lady, he, goat, she, goat. He means a male. She means female. Yes. Horse, mare, uncle, aunt, father-in-law, mother-in-law, son, daughter, landlord, landladies, master, mistress, nephew and niece. So beta, you all go through these example and feel you very comfortable in understanding the masculine and feminine gender. Okay, nouns that can be used both as masculine and feminine are called to be in common gender. See, nouns that can be used both as masculine and feminine are called to be the common gender. But students, what is common gender? What is the word common means? Common means equal, same, like when we talk about the masculine and feminine gender together, like we can take the example of friends. The word friends contains, maybe you must be having one male friend, one girlfriend. So these are no come on the category of common gender. I have two friends like Nisha and Sudhir. The doctors treat the patient. Doctors may be a male and maybe a female also. You are giving the main title category to the person. Now nouns that refer to non-living objects which are neither male nor female are called neuter gender. But when you all talk about the non-living objects, that those come in a neuter gender. Like that tree is very tall. Computer makes our work very easy. So see the given some examples of common gender: teacher, pen, prime minister, scooter, doctor, student, servant. These are common gender. Neuter gender: pen, scooter, stone, book, chair. These are all non-living part, non-living things. So these are common neuter gender. Okay, hope you all have understood the chapter. Okay, come to next page. We will do some exercises. See the exercise 1. Observe the colored word and tick the correct option. Raj is my friend. So Raj is a boy. So it will come in masculine gender. Second one. The owner of this factory is very rich. So owner may be a girl or maybe a boy. So it will come in a common gender. The peahen is dancing in the rain. It's masculine gender. Sorry, the peahen is dancing in the rain. It's a feminine gender because peahen is a female. The boy threw a stone at this bird. So stone is a neuter gender because stone is non-living thing. So see, go through this exercise. It's very, I will be sending you the worksheet and do this exercise. Rewrite the sentences by changing the gender of colored words. Like see, 1 or 2 I will discuss with you. The waiter served the meal. The waitress served the meal. Cinderella had a stepsister. Cinderella had a stepbrother. So these things we have to change the colored word, like the blue word. So we will be doing this with the help of worksheet. Till then you all go through the chapter. It's very easy, and because you are going to have your half yearly exam soon, so please be careful about your studies and do complete all the works so that you can score good marks. Have a good day. Thank you.